Hello students, welcome to Vasavi Education Hub. So this session we will discuss Ilkovic equation in polarography. So it is a quantitative equation was developed by Ilkovic scientist. Okay. So here we will discuss what is Ilkovic equation. So not derivation. So what is Ilkovic equation we will discuss, right? Here, so Ilkovic equation in polarography. So he is a Ilkovic scientist. He is the father of physics education in Slovakia. So he joined as a DST student in chemistry lab of Havaraski. So he joined as a DST student in lab of Havaraski. Okay. Havaraski is the father of electroanalytical techniques. Father of electroanalytical technique. Electroanalytical techniques. Clear. Electroanalytical techniques. Right. So when he joined as a DST student in the Havaraski lab, so Havaraski scientist he assigned a work for the Ilkovic as to derive a quantitative relation in polarography, that is diffusion current and the concentration of analyte solution, right? So Ilkovic he studied the fixed law of he studied the literature and he collected the literature of the following uh, concepts, that is uh, he collect the literature of Fick's law and also he collect the literature of Cartwright method. So by studying of first law, Fick's first law of diffusion and Cartwright equation, and he develops a equation in polarography as a quantitatively, that is called as a Ilkovic equation, right? So the Ilkovic equation relates the diffusion current, that is ID, and the concentration of the analyte and the characteristics of a mercury drop. So he develops. So here what he observed. So when the mercury drop is fall into the analyte solution, it's going to be the size of the mercury drop increases with increasing of time, and he concentrate the top drop time and the surface of the mercury drop, and he develop a relation, that is diffusion current and the concentration of analyte and the characteristics of a mercury drop. So before he proposing a Ilkovic equation, first he consider what is Fick's law of equation, right? The Fick's law of diffusion. So diffusion occurs in response to a concentration gradient expressed as the change in concentration due to change in position in which flux, that is J, the units for J, that is centimeter square universe centimeter per second, and is proportionality to the diffusivity, that is centimeter square per second, and the negative gradient of the concentration. So this is the flux that is equal to negative concentration. So that is the change in the concentration of diffusivity versus concentration. So this is the relation was developed by Fick's scientist, and he followed his fixed relation, and Adolf Eugen Fleck was a German-born physician and a physiologist, right? So Ilkovic developed this Ilkovic equation by considering the fixed law of diffusion, that is J is equal to minus x into dou C by dou x, right? Next, and also he studied the Cottrell equation. So he is the Cottrell is a American chemist. So in electrochemistry, the Cottrell equation describes the change in electrical current with respect to time in a controlled potential experiment such as Corneo chronoampiometry. So generally it is a electrochemical technique. So specially it describes the current response when the potential is a step function in time. It was derived by Frederick Gardner Cottrell in 1903. So this is the Cottrell developed equation. So that is I is equal to n into capital F, A into Cj naught under root of dj divided by under root of pi into t, right? So what I is, that is current in unit A, right? So n means the number of electrons, means the number of electron transferred in analyte solution. So F is Faraday current, that is 96,500 coulombs. A is the area of the electrode in centimeter square. So that is Cj naught, that is initial concentration of the reducible analyte. So that is J in mole per centimeter cube. Dj is the diffusion coefficient for spaces J, that is in centimeter square per second, and T is the time in seconds. So by studying the Cartral equation and Fick's law of diffusion, then Ilkovic developed a equation, that is average diffusion current, that is ID is equal to 607, it is a number, into Nd to the power of 1 by 2 into m to the power of 2 by 3 into t to the power of 1 by 6 into c. Or we can write as all these are constant. So then we can write as ID is directly proportionality to C, or we can write as ID is equal to K into C. So this is the constant. Okay. So what is ID, student? ID is nothing but that is average diffusion current. He measured average diffusion current in dropping mercury electrode or in polarography, average diffusion current. Okay, so that is ID. Then what 607 is a number, and what is D? So D is nothing but diffusion coefficient. D is diffusion coefficient. Diffusion coefficient. Then M is rate flow of mercury drop, that is milligram per second. So generally the drop of the mercury increases as increasing the time. So when it reaches the drop of surface, that is equal to 1 millimolar, then it fall down into the analyte solution. So generally average time it takes 3 to 6 seconds per 3 to 6 second, and so it forms a new renewable drop in the mercury electrode, dropping mercury electrode, and then it fall down into the analyte solution. So he calculate the rate flow of mercury drop, that is milligram per second. Okay, right. Next, so n is equal to nothing but number of electrons transfer, number of electron transfer, right? Next, so T is equal to drop time. T is equal to drop time, so that is seconds, and then M is over, and C is nothing but that is the concentration of analyte solution, concentration of analyte solution. So this is the Ilkovic equation, student.